Every or every other. Use every when talking about all things one by one. Like this. I eat vegetables every day. Or every day I eat vegetables. How often do I eat vegetables? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day I eat vegetables. What if it is a 50-50 situation or half and half? Then use every other to jump one, like this. Every other day I eat oranges. How often do I eat oranges? Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I eat oranges. Let's try again. Every number on this clock is very big. But is every number on this clock gray? No. Every other number on this clock is gray.